end of it.
That'll be the best part, too. God. I couldn't walk in them. I think I have to go backwards so I can scoot them. Get her going up the stairs. She's ready to dry up some basements.
There you go. Are you okay?
Oh yeah, you're riding out there. I'm totally recording it.
Or did you really?
Oh, have you met Lisa before?
I think once.
Tina.
I'm Tina.
That's Haley. She's our receptionist.
Hi.
She's videoing for us. Brought you guys some cookies.
Yay.
Fat free, of course.
Everything's
Not
fine.
bad at all.
Tastes good it is.
Have 6.
That's 6 now.
Yeah, I had like 4 cupcakes yesterday.
Did you really? Yeah, but you can afford to do
You're
it.
good,
I can't.
though. I tried to put the sprinkles on, but I waited too long, and they're flying on the couch. It wouldn't stick, you know. I'm like,
Sometimes if you dip them in there, but then you flatten your icing, and that's not good either.
whatever, right? You're done.
Yeah.
What's new with you?
Nothing. You have good news.
No.
It's kinda good.
I know.
Come on.